Today we are discussing shape of the graph of y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Let us learn this concept through our animation. Shape of the graph of y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Case 1. Take the coordinate axis. The graph y equal to f of x like this. Observed here, this graph we drawn from left to right. Condition is here a is less than 0. One more graph. Take the coordinate axis. The second curve is like this. Here the condition is a is greater than 0. So coming to the first one, the curve intersects on x-axis at two distinct points, that is A and B. Coming to the second diagram, here also the curve intersect on x-axis at two distinct points, that is A and B. By observation, we can write first point. Here graph cuts the x-axis at two distinct points, that is A and B. Second point. So A comma B are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Already we know the zero of the polynomial, that is the curve cuts the x-axis is nothing but 0 of the polynomial. Case 2. Take the coordinate axis. Now the curve y equal to f of x is like this. Move to the next diagram. Take the coordinate axis. The curve of y equal to f of x like this. Coming to the first diagram, here the curve intersects on x-axis at only one point. That means the intersection point is a equal to b. Both are coincide here. Coming to the second diagram, the curve y equal to f of x intersects on x-axis at one point, that is a equal to b. That means both points are coincide here. So what you observed here, the first point, the graph cut the x-axis at exactly one point, that is A and B coincident points. Second point, so x coordinate of A is the only zero of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now move to the case 3. Take the coordinate axis. The curve of y equal to f of x like this. Second one. Take the coordinate axis. The curve of y equal to f of x like this. The first one condition is a is greater than 0. The second diagram condition is a is less than 0. Here the curve y equal to f of x does not meet the x-axis, and If you observe the first diagram, the curve is above the x-axis. If you observe the second diagram, the curve is below the x-axis. So, our observation points are, first one, here the graph is entirely above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Second point, so graph does not cut the x-axis at any point. Third point, hence no zeros in this case.